Hello everyone. Now we are going to look at this question. The compound C7H8 undergoes the following reaction. C7H8 under the reaction of 3Cl2 and heating forms the A, and when A reacts with Br2 and Fe forms B, and B when react with Zn and HCl gives C. So the product C is first N-bromotoluene, second O-bromotoluene, three P-bromotoluene, and fourth 3-bromo-2,4, sixth tri trichlorotoluene. So let's see what's the answer for this question. Okay, so first we will having our C7H8. So let's see. Let's just it. So for the C7H8 we can just draw it like this. Or just I just made it a bit wrong. I'll draw it one second. Yeah, it's okay now. So it's like C3. Okay, so it's basically C7H3. Here is the double bond here and here. So basically it's still this. When we react with Cl, so it's form A. So A will be the like let me draw over here. So it's basically looks like CCl3. Okay, and the double bonds in between over here, here, and here. So okay, so it's gonna be the A when it's wrapped with this. Okay, so it is A. Now I will create B when CCl reacts with Br2 and Fe. So when CnCl3 reacts with Br2 Fe, it's not it's same like A, but only the Br will add over here. Okay, you understand how it happens? It's Br2, so it's basically add over here and forms the CCl3 and Br over here. So it's basically B option. Okay. Now we will see how what's the C. So for the C, when CCl3 reacts with ZnHCl, it forms the here I am going to draw. So the Br will remain as it is. Okay. So the double bonds will be like this only, and instead of CCl2 or CCl3, sorry, it becomes CH3. So the correct option will be this. Let's see. So what's the answer of this? So the correct option for this, I will say that the correct option would be butane toluene. So it's basically option first. Let's see what's the yeah. So answer one will be answer correct answer. So thank you so much everyone.